Sentences. Strings are useful for displaying text and storing input information. Strings can also be concatenated together to form combinations of string variables and pre-written strings. Imagine we have a string called name. The code asks for input and stores that string of text in name. To output this information to the user, rather than simply displaying their name, you can add the phrase your name is and make it into a sentence by concatenating your name is plus name plus period.